This isn't just a drink. It starts changing your body in seconds. The real question is, most people drink this and never notice what's happening inside. The moment it touches your mouth, sugar hits. Instantly, it moves fast, straight into your system. Your brain lights up, dopamine spikes, and you feel good. For a moment, you feel powerful, almost unstoppable. Your heart starts beating faster, faster than it should. But at the same time, your body is under pressure. Your body fights back, trying to control the spike. And then, the crash begins. You feel drained, low, empty. So, is it still worth it? This might be doing more harm than you think. What do you think? Drop your opinion in the comments and subscribe for more.